Hello, hello, hello. This is Mkpoutousua, your Pidgin English coach. First of all, how you day? How body? Happy New Year. Just want to welcome you to the new year. I've not done any videos, any training, any stuff like that for a while. Obviously because of the holidays and all of that. So how you doing now, body? How family? Happy New Year. Alright. 2020 was crazy. So we're in a new year. So I just want to wish you an awesome new year, and I wish you and your family the best. Right? This year is going to be a very good year, and I wish you the best. So for our Pidgin English channel and everything, a lot of things will be happening this year. Okay? We're going to do a number of things, but before I let you know what we're going to do, I want to share something with you. Pidgin English idiomatic expressions. That's what we're going to be doing a lot this year. So I'm going to share, apart from Pidgin English words, phrases, you go follow learn idiomatic expression. You know, Pidgin English is like every other language. We have idioms, we have figure of speech, and stuff like that. So this year I go teach you plenty things. You go learn plenty Pidgin idiomatic expressions. All right. And then we're going to do a lot of the one-on-one trainings. A lot of people were interested in doing the one-on-one coaching program. So this year I'm going to really do that. Okay, so if you're interested in the one-on-one coaching, get ready to get on Zoom or Skype with me, and then we'll chat and discuss and have fun, and you will learn how to speak Pidgin. So let's kick off this year with the first idiomatic expression in Pidgin English. Let's do it. So don't forget, if you want to learn a lot about Pidgin English, head to pidginenglishschool.com.ng. There you're going to see the Pidgin English Kindle book, the Pidgin English audio comprehensive training. You can't find that anywhere, and then the video course. Click the link, go to pidginenglishschool.com.ng, and you're going to get all those details. All right, so kicking this year off with the very first idiomatic expression. And it is the word or the sentence in green. No put sand for my Garri. That is the first idiomatic expression. No put sand for my Garri. So I need to break this down for you to understand what it means. It means don't put sand in my Garri. That's what it means as a direct interpretation, but it means deeper than that. Now, let me give you some understanding on the different things I talked about here. No put sand. Sand is like the sand on the ground. Garri is a staple and very popular kind of food in Nigeria, made from cassava. Okay? It's made from cassava and it's eaten in different ways. You can eat it with soup. You use it. You can turn it into a semi-paste by putting hot water into it, and it becomes eba. All right. Or you can put it. You can eat it like a cereal. You put water into it and put milk, sugar, and peanuts. All right, that is called soaking Garri or drinking Garri. So that food is eaten in two ways. Now, if somebody puts sand in your Garri, means the person is trying to spoil what you're trying to do. The person is trying to take away your joy or take away your opportunity, trying to steal or trying to spoil something for you. Okay? So if you're trying to get something done, maybe you're trying to get a business deal done or something, and somebody puts sand in your Garri, it means the person is trying to destroy your plans. Okay? So when you say no put sand for my Garri, means don't destroy my plans. Don't destroy what I'm trying to do. Don't stop my opportunity. Okay? So you can use it in many ways. You can use it, maybe you're talking to your man, and he's trying to stop you from going out or do something. You can tell him, no put sand for my Garri. All right? So don't spoil what I'm trying to do. Okay? No put sand for my Garri means don't kill my opportunity, don't spoil my plans, don't take away my joy. Okay, so you can use that with people around you who are trying to spoil your plans or trying to stop you from getting your goals or something like that. All right, so that is the very first idiomatic expression. So no put san for my Garri. Some people might say no put san for my Garri. So that's san as an emphasis. No put san for my Garri, meaning don't spoil my plans, don't scatter what I'm trying to do, don't be a killjoy, don't be a wet blanket sort of kind of interpretation. Okay, so that is the very first Pidgin English idiomatic expression for the year. So let me know in the comment, did that make sense? Did you enjoy it? Have you ever heard this kind of idiomatic expression before? And would you like me to do more of this for you? Let me know in the comments. All right, now let's go to the next thing. Like I said, Pidgin English one-on-one coaching class on Zoom. A lot of people have been asking me to do the one-on-one coaching, and this year I'm going to do a lot of that. Right? So if you want me to coach you for 30 minutes, where me and you will jump on a call and then we'll just talk, and then I will correct you. It's going to be a very fun class. It's not like the classroom. When I coach you, we'll just get on the Zoom call, maybe Skype, whatever you prefer, and we'll just get to talk. And while you're trying to converse with me, I'll correct you. You ask questions, I'll tell you what to say and all of that. So it's going to be a very fun time. 30 minutes of private one-on-one coaching. It is going to really help you learn Pidgin very fast. Like, learning any language, if you have a coach, it becomes faster, right? So if you're interested in that class, click on the link below, and you can make payment with PayPal or with any other way, but I think PayPal will be fine. Okay, when you make your payment, you can send me an email and we can fix a day this week that you'll be free, that we can have the call. All right, very simple and straightforward. Now, what is the cost of the Pidgin English one-on-one coaching class? Okay, like coaching classes are usually somehow expensive. We have coaching classes for different languages that could be up to $1,000, $500. All right. So my goal is to make this very affordable, since it's going to be a fun time. My goal at the end of the day, I think I might end up doing this for $200 or $199. Okay, for 30 minutes. But for now, for this maiden edition, if you're interested in the class, it's just going to be $99, and we'll be able to fix a time you and I can talk and you can learn the language. So for just $99, you have 30 minutes to learn and ask questions and learn as much as you can. All right. So if you're interested in this, don't forget to go to the description, click the link, make the payments, send the email. We'll fix a time that we can have our call, Zoom or Skype. All right. Thank you for listening. And let me know in the comment if you want me to do more idiomatic expressions or any other thing. All right. Give me the ideas you would like me to focus on this year. All right. So once again, thank you. And thank you well as you don't watch my video. And make I know how far for comment. What do you want? You understand? If you want the one-on-one coaching, click the link or make the payment. Send me email. I could tell you how we go meet. You understand? Thank you so much. See you another time. Bye-bye.